Volkswagen is the largest automobile builder in the world committed to the small car idea. We build small cars by designing them to be small cars, not by making big cars smaller. It takes 125,000 people to build 7,000 cars a day. That's almost 2 million cars a year. And because we don't make changes just for the sake of change, the people who build Volkswagens get to be expert at what they do. Even so, of all the people you see here, 1 out of every 10 is an inspector. In Wolfsburg alone, our buildings and fenced-in areas could hold 2,000 football fields. We've even got a railroad 40 miles long, inside the plant, and a fleet of 70 ships. And we don't make Volkswagens just in our 6 plants in Germany. We make them in Australia, Brazil, Mexico, Malaysia, and in Belgium, Ireland, New Zealand, and the Philippines, South Africa, Peru, Turkey, Portugal, and Uruguay, and in Venezuela too. Volkswagen has the biggest test track in Europe. It has a straightaway 5 miles long with no speed limit, and we've duplicated every road condition. Although we ordinarily test cars by wearing them out gradually, we wear out a few suddenly. Every time we do this, we learn how to make better cars. And when you don't make changes just for the sake of change, you don't have to start your tests over each year. So we can concentrate on what really counts: quality. But the changes we do make must improve the performance of the car, its reliability, handling, and durability. That's why we have a rear window electric defogger, a transparent brake fluid reservoir, a locking gas cap cover, and even double-bit car keys for more security. And on and on. Every year, the list of improvements gets longer. The Beetle, the car some people think never changes, has had over 2,200 improvements. Why, there are 29 improvements in the 1972 Beetle alone. You can't build 7,000 cars a day without using the latest and most advanced machine tools and handling techniques. Throughout the world, our machines produce precision parts within exacting tolerances, hour after hour. And each of the 5,000 parts in a Volkswagen is inspected 3 times. By automating repetition, we can put our people on the more critical assembly work, where the parts go together to produce the whole car. And remember, 1 out of every 10 workers is an inspector. But who inspects the inspectors? Machines like this. Volkswagen brake components are tested 250,000 times. This machine can break every weld in the body. That's how we learn to build cars that last. What you've seen are just a few of the critical tests of the critical parts. Each hole in this tape is a command. It tells this machine precisely what to do. It's one of a new breed of tools we use to assure the highest quality for an engine with an already incredible performance record. The engine, which began almost as an engineer's oddity, has come a long way since 1945. It has pushed millions of cars, billions of miles, to earn the reputation as one of the most dependable engines ever built. For lightweight, engine, block, and transmission case are a special magnesium alloy. We use more magnesium than anyone else in the world. pistons are matched in sets of 4 for balance. And the cylinders match to the matched pistons. This and the horizontal piston movement give an unusual smoothness because it's well known that a flat horizontally opposed engine has very little vibration. To make sure the power is smoothly applied to the wheels, we use constant velocity rear axle joints. Our Type 3 and Type 4 have electronic fuel injection. You never see a Volkswagen owner babying his car the first 1,000 miles because all engines are dynamically balanced and run in under operating conditions. It means you just get into your Volkswagen and drive as fast as you like from the very first day. Building and testing thousands of engines each and every day requires a very strong commitment to the small car idea. This is the brains of an automatic transmission. Each of these channels guides the oil as the transmission reacts to the driver's commands. When Volkswagen decided to go automatic, it just didn't go out and buy a garden variety transmission off the shelf like many other car builders do. Efficient automatic transmissions were designed and built to match the capability of the small Volkswagen engine. We ended up with a custom-matched powertrain that no one else has. Every housing is tested under high pressure to make sure it won't leak. The Volkswagen powertrain is so efficient that the transmission losses are just a few %. And as a final check, we connect each and every automatic transmission to a test bed and run it through its paces at full power. Only when they pass all of the tests do the transmissions become part of a car with a Volkswagen label. Even though our cars are small, it takes some pretty big machinery to build them. Huge stamping presses form raw steel into the shapes that will become the Beetle, Type 2, Type 3, and the Volkswagen 411. Each piece is identical to the last, and the 1,000th identical to the first. But still, the inspectors keep watching. All the body parts become a body structure in a machine that looks like a mechanical merry-go-round. The parts are precisely positioned and fused together with thousands of welds. We don't bolt our cars together because welds are stronger than the metal itself. That means the car will stay together. When you build the same basic car for 27 years, you can afford to design and build assembly machines that are as unusual as the car itself. But even with our mechanical wizardry, it still takes a craftsman to add the final touch of quality. Because quality is what people have learned to expect from Volkswagen. Most car bodies are primed by dipping in a tank of paint. But as the paint drips off the edges, it thins out, making them vulnerable to corrosion. Volkswagen primes its bodies by electrically charging them while they're submerged in a special primer. The process is called electrophoretic painting. This attracts the paint to every hidden spot and completely covers all the edges to protect them from corrosion. Producing the deep lustrous finish on a Volkswagen is a labor of love. No machine has yet been developed that can match the human hand in making sure the surface is smooth at every joint, curve, and angle. For the final finish, we use electrically charged paint again, but this time as an electrostatic process. To build a machine like this to match a yearly changing body style just costs too much. So our philosophy of non-obsolescence increases our paint quality. It's just one reason for our high resale values. It takes 125 miles of conveyor lines to make sure that all parts get to where they're going, and a computer to make sure they get there at the right time. Advanced mass production techniques and a commitment to non-obsolescence make economical transportation available to everyone. And the quality is so carefully checked that 200 cars a day don't make it to the showroom. When you design a car to last a long time, you want to make sure all the parts last a long time. You do this by slamming, banging, twisting, cranking, bending, hammering, closing, opening, sliding, blinking, bumping, jiggling, rolling, and tilting until everything stops or falls apart. Then you find out why and try to make the part last longer. When you get the whole car together, you make it perform under conditions that will never exist, just to keep the inspectors on their toes. We can test all our cars at almost 100 miles an hour, at temperatures of a Wisconsin winter or Death Valley, without going outside, in the most modern wind tunnel in Europe. This fan is 30 feet in diameter, and it takes 3,500 horsepower to drive it. You need a big refrigerator to cool air down to 22 degrees below zero, especially when it's blasting at 100 miles an hour. This refrigeration system can handle a 1,500-room house. That's a lot of window air conditioners. Study models and prototypes of all Volkswagen cars are tested here. We get so much information, it takes an IBM computer to analyze the results. Even then, we're not satisfied. After the wind tunnel tells us what to expect, we double-check some of the tests by trying them with real cars on real roads. Other powerful computers are used in research and development to test the effect of design changes before they're made. They help us save weight without sacrificing strength. Speaking of strength, our interest in safety goes back many years, and it will continue to increase. We test design, materials, and construction. And we've got the facilities to test to destruction everything from a bumper to a body. Ever notice how a Volkswagen door is built? It's steel on both sides, not a steel outside with a cardboard back. More stringent vehicle emission specifications require the installation of special exhaust analysis equipment sensitive to 1 part in a million. We drive the car through a specified program, collect the exhaust gas and analyze it, all in a few seconds. By continually increasing our installation of these complex devices, Volkswagen plans to expand its program of vehicle exhaust testing. You might call this emission quality control. The Volkswagen commitment to the small car started with the Beetle. Volkswagen challenged automakers by proving that you could have reliable transportation without driving a 2-ton machine with a 300 horsepower engine. And the automotive world has not been the same since. We started with the Beetle, but we didn't stop there. And we're not going to stop where we are now. Our engineers and designers come up with new ideas every day. Some of them become the yearly improvements on Volkswagens. But here are some of the others that never made it. Detroit has apparently just discovered the idea of a small car, and they're even beginning to question the idea of annual model changes. Both of these ideas have always been the basis of our approach to automobiles. But our real selling advantage comes from the quality we build into every Volkswagen. That's why we give a warranty no other small car builder can match, 24,000 miles or 24 months. The vehicles you sell are the standard against which all small cars are measured. You can see some of the quality, like the finish, the fit of doors, the trim. But seeing is not enough, because in a Volkswagen, the quality is everywhere. And you and your organization are as much a part of that quality as the products themselves.